When it comes to increasing home value in Phoenixville, homeowners often think of kitchen upgrades or bathroom remodels. While those projects certainly matter, one of the most impactful, and often overlooked, improvements is window replacement. New windows don't just refresh the look of your home, they enhance comfort, efficiency, and buyer appeal in ways that directly influence property value. First impressions matter more than you think. Curb appeal plays a major role in how a home is perceived, whether you're welcoming guests or preparing to sell. Old, worn, or mismatched windows can make even a well-maintained house feel dated. New windows instantly modernize the exterior, creating clean lines and a polished appearance that catches attention. In Phoenixville's mix of historic charm and newer developments, updated windows help homes stand out while still fitting the character of the neighborhood. Styles such as double-hung, casement, or custom designs can complement both traditional and contemporary homes, giving buyers confidence that the property has been thoughtfully upgraded. Energy efficiency is a major selling point. Today's buyers are more energy conscious than ever. New, energy-efficient windows reduce heat loss in winter and block excessive heat in summer, helping maintain a comfortable indoor temperature year-round. This translates into lower heating and cooling costs, something buyers immediately recognize as long-term value. For current homeowners, the benefits are just as important. Improved insulation means fewer drafts, more consistent room temperatures, and reduced strain on HVAC systems. In Phoenixville's changing seasons, that comfort and efficiency make daily living noticeably better. Increased natural light enhances living spaces. New windows are designed to maximize glass area while maintaining strength and insulation. This allows more natural light to enter your home, making rooms feel brighter, larger, and more inviting. Well-lit spaces are proven to create a positive emotional response, which plays a big role in buyer decisions. Natural light also highlights interior features like flooring, cabinetry, and paint colors, making your entire home feel more upscale without additional renovations. It's a simple upgrade that has a ripple effect throughout the property. Noise reduction adds everyday comfort. Phoenixville homeowners near busy streets or active neighborhoods often deal with unwanted outside noise. Modern window technology includes multi-pane glass and improved seals that significantly reduce sound transmission. A quieter home feels more private, peaceful, and luxurious, qualities that buyers are willing to pay more for. Even if you're not planning to sell soon, enjoying a calmer indoor environment adds daily value that's hard to put a price on. Low maintenance appeals to buyers. Older windows often require frequent painting, repairs, or difficult cleaning. New windows, especially vinyl or fiberglass options, are designed for durability and low maintenance. Features like tilt and sashes make cleaning easy, while weather-resistant materials keep windows looking great for years. Buyers appreciate homes that won't require immediate upkeep, and new windows send a clear message that major updates have already been handled. A smart investment with long-term returns. While window replacement is an investment, it consistently ranks as one of the home improvements with strong returns. Beyond resale value, homeowners enjoy improved comfort, energy savings, and peace of mind from enhanced security features like stronger frames and advanced locking systems. For Phoenixville homeowners looking to boost property appeal, new windows offer a rare combination of aesthetic improvement and practical benefits. Whether you plan to sell soon or stay for years, upgrading your windows is a smart move that pays off in both value and everyday enjoyment.